Imagine scaling the mighty Himalayas, but wait, you've got flip-flops on your feet. Yes, you heard it right. We're not just talking about a leisurely stroll on a beach, but a daring, audacious adventure of hiking one of the world's most majestic mountain ranges, all while wearing your favorite pair of flip-flops. Picture it. The crisp mountain air, snow-capped peaks stretching into the sky, the thrill of conquering each new height, and the flip-flops slapping against your feet as you trek through the rugged terrain. It's an absurd image, isn't it? The grandeur of the Himalayas, with the simplicity and impracticality of flip-flops. But that's exactly what makes this journey so unique and captivating. It's a tale of audacity, a story of pushing boundaries and challenging norms. Sounds like a wild ride, doesn't it? Well, strap in, because that's exactly what we're talking about today. If you're enjoying this wild ride, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more adventures. So why the Himalayas? Well, let me tell you, it ain't just about the snow-capped peaks. Now, don't get me wrong, those towering mountains are a sight to behold, but there's so much more to this place. The Himalayas offer a feast for the senses, a playground for the adventurous, and a sanctuary for those seeking serenity. Imagine trekking through verdant valleys carpeted with wildflowers, crossing icy rivers, and walking under the shadows of the tallest mountains on Earth. The landscapes here are as diverse as they are breathtaking, with every turn revealing a new spectacle. From the turquoise waters of alpine lakes to the dense rhododendron forests, the Himalayas are a nature lover's paradise. But it's not just about the natural beauty. The Himalayas are also home to a rich tapestry of cultures. Every village you pass through tells a unique story, each with its own traditions, festivals, and culinary delights. It's a place where you can sip on buttered tea in a remote monastery, dance to the rhythm of local music at a village festival, or learn to weave a traditional shawl with a local artisan. And let's not forget the wildlife. From elusive snow leopards to majestic Himalayan eagles, the region is teeming with exotic fauna. If you're lucky, you might even spot a red panda lounging in the treetops. Of course, the rugged terrain and unpredictable weather conditions present their own challenges. The thin air at high altitudes can be taxing, and the trails can be treacherous, especially when you're wearing flip-flops. But it's these obstacles that make the journey all the more rewarding. The Himalayas are not for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to step out of their comfort zone, the rewards are unparalleled. It's a place that tests your endurance, resilience, and spirit, and in the process, reveals your true mettle. So folks, the Himalayas are not just a mountain range, they're a whole new world waiting to be explored. Now, onto the crazy part, hiking in flip-flops. It's like going to a sword fight with a spoon. If you've ever worn flip-flops, you know they're the epitome of casual footwear, perfect for a day at the beach, not so much for conquering the mighty Himalayas. But, as our intrepid adventurer found out, there's something hilariously absurd and excitingly daring about trying to tackle rugged terrains in the world's most laid-back shoes. Picture this. You're hiking up steep paths, navigating rocky trails, and flip-flops are your chosen footwear. The first few steps might seem like a walk in the park, but soon enough, the reality kicks in. The thin, flimsy soles offer minimal protection against the merciless ground. Every pebble, every shard of rock becomes a potential landmine. Ouch! And let's not even get started on the blisters, the constant companion of any flip-flop hiker. They pop up in the most unexpected places, making each step a Herculean task. With every mile, the discomfort grows, turning into a symphony of pain that plays on repeat. But it wasn't all doom and gloom. There were moments of laughter and camaraderie that stemmed from this unusual choice of footwear. There's something about seeing a fellow hiker trudging along in flip-flops that brings a smile to even the most exhausted faces. It's a reminder that sometimes, it's not about the destination, but the journey and the stories we gather along the way. And then there were the cultural exchanges, the shared understanding, and the mutual respect that came from a pair of flip-flops. The locals, who've watched countless hikers in their high-tech gear, found a kindred spirit in the flip-flop hiker, a testament to their own resourcefulness and resilience. In the end, hiking in flip-flops is an exercise in patience, perseverance, and a whole lot of humor. It's a testament to the human spirit, the ability to find joy in the most challenging situations. And you thought stepping on a Lego in bare feet was painful. But wait, it's not all blisters and twisted ankles. There's a whole lot of heart in this story too. This journey through the Himalayas wasn't just a test of endurance, it was a testament to human resilience, trekking through arduous terrains, battling physical ailments, and overcoming unexpected obstacles. our intrepid explorers discovered a strength they never knew they had. Every step, every stumble, every painful ascent was a lesson in perseverance. And it wasn't just about pushing personal boundaries, but about the camaraderie that developed along the way. Companionship was found in shared struggles, and laughter became the best medicine, easing discomfort and lifting spirits. But let's not forget the importance of preparation. The Himalayas are breathtaking, yes, but they're also unforgiving. Hiking in flip-flops might have been a bold choice, but it was a stark reminder of the need for suitable gear. Comfortable, sturdy footwear is not a luxury on these trails, it's a necessity. And while we're on the topic of necessities, let's talk about medical supplies. Our adventurers faced gastro issues and dehydration, among other health challenges. These experiences underscore the importance of packing a comprehensive first aid kit, complete with medicines for common ailments, rehydration salts, and bandages. The Himalayas are a place of beauty and tranquility, but they can also be a place of hardship and danger. They demand respect, caution, and most importantly, preparedness. The lessons learned from this journey aren't just about survival, but about understanding our limits and respecting nature's might. So, the next time you think of hiking in flip-flops, remember it's more than just a fashion statement. So, after all the blood, sweat, and tears, was it worth it? Let's find out. Hiking the Himalayas in flip-flops, an idea that sparked laughter and incredulity, an adventure that was as much a test of resilience as it was a testament to the human spirit. So what's the verdict? On the plus side, the journey offered a unique once-in-a-lifetime experience. Trekking in flip-flops brought a sense of freedom, a connection with the earth beneath our feet that traditional hiking boots could never match. There was also an undeniable camaraderie, a bond formed in the face of adversity and shared discomfort. The flip-flop journey offered a chance to immerse in the local culture, to exchange stories and laughter, and to see the Himalayas in a way few have dared to try. But let's not forget the toll it took. The physical discomfort was real and relentless. Injuries were not uncommon, and the risk of more severe medical issues was ever present. There was the constant threat of dehydration, the gnawing pain in the feet, the blisters that made every step a challenge. It required a level of grit and determination that was, at times, exhausting. Yet, at the end of the day, it was about the sense of accomplishment, the pride of having pushed one's boundaries and emerged victorious. The aches and pains, the discomfort and injuries, they all faded into the background, overshadowed by the exhilarating feeling of having conquered the mighty Himalayas, flip-flops and all. The flip-flop adventure was not for the faint-hearted. It was a journey of extremes, a roller coaster of emotions, a test of endurance. But for those who dared, it offered a unique perspective, an unforgettable adventure and a story to tell for generations to come. So was it worth it? That's a question only those brave enough to embark on the journey can truly answer. But one thing's for certain, it was a journey they'll never forget. And that, folks, is the story of how two brave souls took on the Himalayas, flip-flops and all. So, there you have it, a hike like no other, a mix of thrill, pain, and a whole lot of flip-flop action. The Himalayas, with their majestic peaks and diverse cultural experiences, offer an adventure that's both challenging and rewarding. But let's not forget, even in the face of such awe-inspiring beauty, safety should never take a backseat. While our flip-flop journey was one for the books, it's a stark reminder of the importance of the right gear. Footwear is crucial in hiking, and while flip-flops were an interesting experiment, they're best left for sandy beaches and not snowy peaks. So, as we close the chapter on our Himalayan adventure, we encourage you to share your own unique hiking stories. Have you ever tried something as wild as hiking the Himalayas in flip-flops? Or perhaps you've had other unusual hiking experiences? We'd love to hear about them. But remember, no matter how daring your spirit, always prioritize safety. Let the mountains call to you, but answer them with respect and preparation. Remember, adventure is out there, but maybe leave the flip-flops at the beach, yeah?